In this video, I'm going to show you how to make subscription payments annual in Skool. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of the community that you have selected in Skool, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate on the upper part of the screen and we go click on the up and down arrow icon, which represents which communities, and we click here. And as you can see, this will provide options. We go to the settings or gear icon. When you click this will then direct you to the complete list of sectors and sections of your account in Skool that you can modify or edit. Since we are talking about the membership fee paid annually, this refers to the prices of the communities that we have created. So in communities, we simply select the community that we would like to change the membership recurrence. Let's say animal community. In here, we click on settings, and when you click on settings, we go on pricing. And in pricing, as you can see, we can add price in here. Currently, we have $50 per month. We simply click add price, let's say 100. And as you can see, we have options. We have monthly only, monthly and annual only, as well as one-time payment. Since we're talking about annual payment, we simply click annual only. Then we input in here the price. Then we click add. Now, this specific community will now be paid annually by the users or members that will join in this community. And that's about it. That's how to make subscription payments annual in Skool. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.